Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to prepare black eyed pea soup. This is very easy to make and it's a one pot meal. Take around half a cup of dry black eyed peas and you need to wash this thoroughly and soak it at least for 3 hours. They double in volume after soaking. You can use any vegetable as per your taste, but I like to use zucchinis and carrot. Chop these vegetables in cubes and slice some onions. 1 small tomato. For half a cup of black eyed peas, add quarter cup of shell pasta and some finely chopped garlic. I'm preparing it in the pressure cooker. If you have the instant pot, for sauteing all the vegetables, use saute function over normal heat. When the oil is hot, add chopped garlic to it. Follow the same procedure for instant pot too. When garlic gets slightly golden brown color, add sliced onions and let them cook for a while. These onions are transparent. Now add zucchini and carrot. Mix everything in. Let them cook for a minute. Vegetables are slightly sauteed. Now it's the time to add some chopped tomatoes. I have some concentrated vegetable stock cubes. Just 1 cube would be enough for this recipe. You can find the vegetable stock recipe in my channel or else I will link it in the description box below. Now it's time to add soaked black eyed peas. Add some shell pasta. These black eyed peas are soaked very well, so it won't take much time to cook. Add just a little bit of dry Italian herbs. This gives very nice flavor to your soup. For spiciness, add red pepper flakes and some black pepper powder. Add some salt. Careful while adding salt to the soups. Mix everything well. Just a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now it's time to add water. This water quantity depends on how thick or thin you want your soup to be. I'm adding around 2.5 cups of water to this quantity. You need to cancel the saute function at this point if you are using IP. Close the lid. Either you can use bean chilli function or pressure cook for 3 minutes. And make sure the pressure valve is in sealing position. For cooking on the stove top, hear about 2 whistles. Let the pressure release naturally. Everything is cooked perfectly and vegetables are holding its shape. This liquid has lot of flavor in it. With the vegetables and spices we have added, have this soup with some toasted garlic bread on the side. Or else you can simply grab a bowl of soup. It's light on your tummy yet keeps you full and doesn't add much to your calories either. Try this recipe. Let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.